How to fix the Instagram video call filter problem. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's discuss how can we fix this video call filter problem. So first thing first, make sure your application is updated. For this, head over to your Play Store and on the search bar, type in Instagram. If you see an update sign, make sure you first update your app. This should fix the issue. Likewise, let's move on to the step 2. For this, go to your Instagram application and long press it. Once you long press, you will see some of the options. Tap on App Info. Now, first of all, you have to tap on Storage and Cache. And once you tap on it, make sure to tap on Clear Cache. Now go back to the previous page and click on Permissions. Hereby, make sure that you have allowed the permission for the camera and microphone. Likewise, from the default sections, tap on Set as Default also to make sure that you have toggled on Open Supported Links. And once you do all of it, your problem should be fixed. After this, what you can do is reinstall your application by uninstalling it once. Then log in into your account and you're good to go. That is the end of today's tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end. Also, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button if it helped you in any way. We'll be back soon with more such tutorials. Also, if you have got any ideas, do not hesitate to drop on the comment section.